Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to make fried egg sausage. Okay, so fried egg sausage is one of my signature dishes and it's very easy. What you need to have is a packet of sliced sausage, 2 eggs and some salt. Okay, so first remember to pour in some oil. Okay, pour in some oil here. Okay, a bit of oil only. We don't have to put a lot of oil. If not, it will be very oily. Okay, next. Okay. Turn on the fire. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Normally, I just use a frying pan instead. Okay, so frying pan is easier. Okay, I think I put in too much oil, so I better throw some away. If not, it's very oily. We just need a bit of oil. Okay, next, pour in the eggs. Fry the eggs first. Okay, when we are using frying pan, okay, we need to use this kind of leather. Okay, we need to use this kind of leather. Okay, so make sure the eggs are well cooked. Okay, and let's not too fry. Then we put in the sausages. So put the sausage. Okay, put in the sausages. Okay, we fry until the sausage are fried. They turn brown. We can put in some more oil. Add in some more oil because it seems that there is not enough oil. So I put in some more. Okay, now my sausage has turned brown. Okay, I can add in some veggie. Okay, for today I choose cabbage. Okay, so this will be a nutritious meal. For those who are very busy, you have eggs, sausage, there's meat, and vegetables. Okay, after that we fry them together. So this will be a nutritious meal. For those who are busy, you already have all the nutrients inside: carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and almost all the nutrients inside. So that's all for my cooking. Okay, and remember to add in one more thing, that's the salt. Okay, you can put it to cook under low fire. Okay, so make sure everything is cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure they are well mixed together. So I have added in the salt, a pinch of salt according to your taste. Normally I don't put seasoning. Okay, or if you want to add in ajinomoto or chicken seasoning is okay, because there's a lot of taste already with this sausage. Okay, next I chose my favorite plate. Okay, this one is for spaghetti, a plate presented from a gift from spaghetti. Okay, so I will start out my hair. Here you see. Start my hair with your foot. Okay, so let's make it. How is my style today for my sausage, my favorite food. Okay, voila! Here is my plate of fried egg sausage. Remember to like, share and subscribe my channel.